Welcome to another one of my pellet stove controller repair videos. Today we have Wes's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller. Wes sent this to me because he stated that the auger drive system was overdriving the auger, causing it to overload the pellet cup, either smothering out the fire or causing a raging fire to occur. So I felt when I spoke with him that most likely we had a solid-state relay that had failed, or possibly a burnt land on the circuit board that would cause the motor to receive voltage all the time. After receiving it and inspecting it, I found that he's got a really nice controller board here. It has zero physical damage to it. All the lands are intact. It's very clean, and it's even the front faceplate is in very good condition. So it's a nice looking controller. I plugged it in and everything functioned normally. Unfortunately for Wes, I can't find a problem with this one. I had it on my tester for more than 48 hours at different pellet feed control levels, A, B, C, D, E, and F, and there was no change. So here I'll go through, turn on the pellet stove tester, and we'll go through the final testing so that we can see that everything works. So I'll go ahead and turn on my controller here. And when I do that, two of the lights should come on, the one that simulates the combustion fan and the one that simulates the convection fan. So let's go do that. And there they are, they're on. So that's because I left the switch to the on position. What I can do is I can force the auger motor to manually drive. So when I press this switch, light comes on and my auger motor simulator comes on. So my light comes on, telling me that I am getting voltage to the auger. The other thing I can do is press the high fan button, and that will cause the light over here, the one indicated in red, to go brighter. So there it is, it shines brighter. So I can manually drive the auger, and I can cause the combustion fan, the convection fan, to run faster. So I'll go ahead and I'll press the auger button on the controller, and that will cause it to go into automatic mode. And when that happens, we'll see that the green light here will come on, and the auger motor light will run on its own. So let's press that now, and you see the green light came on, and we just have to wait a little while here before this green light comes on, causing the auger motor indicator to work. So let's stand back a little bit and we'll wait for that to happen. I have it in low mode right now, so when it does come on, it won't stay on for very long. Just wait for that to happen for the first time. There it is. So we saw the green light over here come on. That's the one I put a brighter LED on. And the auger motor light came on. We'll wait for another cycle of that. And then I'll turn up the speed for the pellet feed controller. There it is. And when I do that, we'll see that the auger motor will stay on longer, as well as the convection light bulb will be brighter. So the convection motor runs brighter. I have it to max right now. And we'll see that there it is. And notice that the motor stays on longer. That's what I expect to see, and that's the sign of a properly functioning controller. So Wes, I don't have a problem with this. I can't find anything wrong with it, but I tell you what, we'll speak on the phone and we'll see if we can troubleshoot whatever may be the problem within your stove to see if we can rectify this. All right, Wes, thank you very much for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. Have a good day. Here we go.